So today we will do a tutorial video on how to book a flight on our own. So for this video we will have Air Canada, so I'm going to the website and then we'll go to the flights and you see the round trip one way, and we'll book a flight from Calgary for example, and destination will be Toronto. So YYZ, and then the departure date, let's see, on March 5 until March 10 for round trip tickets. So we're going to select and put one adult and then search flights. Now we will be redirected to the flight information or the flight schedule that is being offered for that day. So we will be choosing the earliest available flight and the cheapest ones, so that will be at 1 a.m. from Calgary. So we will choose the economy here. The economy seats has the basic standard class and comfort, and since we're staying in Toronto for a couple of days we will need a check-in baggage, so we'll choose the economy fare on Flex for us to have a check-in baggage. So we're going to select the seat that will be $26 Canadian dollars. Then sorry, let's see, let's just choose comfort, and then for the returning flight we'll have the lowest available flight that will be at 9, and then in here we have the trip review for us to double check the flight details that we have booked. Then we're gonna proceed as continuous guest, and then we'll be directed to the passenger information. So I'm gonna write my name, last name, my gender, and then in here I'm gonna write my date of birth as well. And scrolling down, we'll have our contact information, write down email address, and then our mobile numbers. So I'm gonna just write the random numbers here. Then we'll proceed to continue, and then in here we have our options where we can customize our trip. So like prepaid meal, purchasing prepaid meal, or a lounge access while we wait for our flight at the airport. And then here is just say no thanks. And then now we'll be redirected to the seat options. Choosing our seat. Here we have the seat map where we can see the free seats that we can take. So we can take the window seat, and return flight as well at the window seat. And now we'll be redirected as well in the window seat, and then continue as payment. Since it's just like a tutorial video, so we're not gonna pay this book or this flight, so we have to review and pay. And then we're gonna do the payment information, credit card. You just have to input your details and add for payment, and then once you have proceed with the purchase, then you'll be able to get your ticket via your email. So that's it. That's how easy it is to book our flight at the airline website. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye for now.